Hey guys! Arg! I can't believe I'm doing this today, because today we're bad to the bone, like Starscream bad to the bone.
Decepticons will crush the Autobots.
Oh yeah, they will.
No one can defeat Starscream.
Today I'm going to show you how to draw Cyborg Frieza. You remember that battle against Goku, when Frieza was obliterated and cut in half after Goku left planet Namek to die. You see, last time we saw Frieza drifting through space when he was saved by his father, turning him into an actual cyborg. Never thought they'd see Frieza again as that kind of monster. Alright, folks, it's time to get started on drawing this bad beast. Anyways, we last saw Frieza in this form as he fought against Trunks when he arrived on Earth in search of the destruction of Goku and his family. Looked like he was on the verge of winning until Trunks stepped in and took his life. That was really horrible to see. In the reality Trunks was in, Frieza had already murdered most of his friends and family, and Goku fought and beat him until he was struck down by a heart disease. But when Trunks arrived from the past, Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Okay, anyways, when we last saw Frieza, when Trunks arrived from the future, he sliced Frieza in half with one slash of his sword. Not only that, he also killed his father, King Cold. If you ask me, killing his father and his son, that was just wrong. I hope they spend most of their lives with each other in hell. After all, Frieza is the bad emperor of the universe and ruler of the Frieza Force. I get a bad feeling we might see Frieza again in this form, possibly in Dragon Ball Heroes. Besides, seeing Cyborg Frieza was the only, in Dragon Ball Z Kai, was the only time we saw him in that form. There we go. Looking good, Frieza. And really damaged. You remember Cell? Cause some of his cells are made up of Frieza's DNA. Cause he knows all his attacks, from Destructo Disc to Kamehameha to Kaioken, even the Spirit Bomb. What's wrong? You guys feel like that ultimate android nonsense was just hot air? Looks like Cell was over his head. Even Android 21 didn't stand a chance against him. I know, because I played as him in Dragon Ball FighterZ. Farewell, fools! Dragon Ball Z. Dragon Ball Z. Be sure to draw the scars here on his chest here. There we go. Alexa, who is Cell?
Cell, the performer.
Alexa, who is Frieza?
According to Wikipedia, Frieza, romanized as Frieza in Japanese merchandise, Funimation's English subtitles and Viz Media's release of the manga, is a fictional character and villain in the Dragon Ball manga series created by Akira Toriyama. Frieza makes his debut in chapter number 247, Dark Clouds Swirl Over Planet Namek, first published in Weekly Shonen Jump magazine on October 24, 1989, as a galactic tyrant feared as the most powerful being in the universe.
Let's not forget, this guy destroyed Planet Vegeta. This is dedicated to all those Saiyans out there. This is what Frieza should really have been looked like, as a damaged freak. I hope you're watching this, Frieza. I know you're not dead. And I could see you in hell. I just don't want to visit you in hell. Hey guys, you ever think Frieza will meet Majin Buu in one of these episodes? In one of the series? We never got to meet him before, except in Dragon Ball FighterZ. Alexa, who is Majin Buu?
According to Wikipedia, Majin Buu, generally spelled Majin Buu in subtitles of the Japanese anime, and rendered as Jin Buu in the Viz Media manga, is a fictional character and the final antagonist in the Dragon Ball manga series created by Akira Toriyama, before the release of Dragon Ball Super. He is introduced in chapter number 460. Majin Buu appears, first published in Weekly Shonen Jump magazine on March 1, 1994.
Alexa, what is a Supreme Kai?
This might answer your question, according to fandom, according to DragonBallUpdates.fandom.com, directory, characters, deities, k.f.a.
Basically, in Japanese, they call him a Kaioshin, but in America, we call them Supreme Kais. Anyways, next up, you just have to draw his tail here. I wonder if Frieza ever found any true love during his travels. and in the Dragon Ball AF, he had a son named Eyes. I wonder if he did find true love one of these days. And if Frieza ever had any... If Frieza was found in the Dragon Ball AF, and if Eyes was in the show, I'd say it would be awesome. Lastly, when drawing him, you must draw the tail. Alexa, what is Bakugan?
Bakugan Battle Brawlers, the Japanese-Canadian action-adventure television series produced by TMS Entertainment in Japan Vistac under the direction of Mitsuo Hashimoto.
Okay, I have no idea what's going on here. There we go. And that's how you draw Frieza. Cyborg. That's how you draw Cyborg Frieza. Pretty impressive, don't you think, guys? So, anyways, out of all the forms, who do you think Frieza would be best as? His first, second, third, fourth, his cyborg form, or his golden form? You decide real soon. So, I'll see you guys next time on Master Designs. It feels good to be bad. So, see you later, viewers. Smash this, press on this thumb to see if you like it or not. Or else Frieza will vaporize you.